You hear it all the time, right? AI is going to change everything. But what does that really mean for a profession as old as, well, civilization itself? I'm talking about teaching. Today, we're going to cut through all the noise and look at how artificial intelligence isn't just a new tool, but how it's actually redesigning the very job of being a teacher.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Change is nothing new for educators. I mean, they are veterans of evolution. They're constantly adapting to new curricula, new ways of testing, and wave after wave of new classroom tech. It's practically baked into the job description. But what's happening now isn't just another software update. No way. This is a tidal wave. It's moving faster and it's reaching deeper into the absolute core of the teaching profession than anything we've ever seen before. This isn't just a new tool in the toolbox. It's like we're building a completely new workshop.
So, what is it that makes this disruption feel so unique? Let's really get into the specifics of why this is such a different kind of change.
This right here, this slide cuts straight to the heart of all the anxiety around AI in education. But here's the thing, the big issue isn't really about teachers being replaced. The reality is more of a choice between the two paths you see here. On one side, a teacher who resists, who doesn't engage with this new world, might just find their role shrinking. But on the other side, for those who learn to work with AI, their role could expand in ways we're only just starting to imagine. So you see, it's not a threat of replacement. It's really an invitation to evolve. And what's driving this whole evolution? Well, it's a massive, monumental change in something absolutely fundamental, the flow of information itself.
And this is the crux of it all. For pretty much all of human history, the teacher was the source of knowledge in the classroom, the main one, the authority. That era, it's over.
Just look at this contrast. In the old flow, the teacher was the essential gatekeeper, right? Information had to pass through them to get to the student. But in the new flow, students have a direct line. They can get information, find explanations, and even create their own stuff, sometimes completely bypassing the teacher. So, what does this actually mean? It means that the teacher's traditional control over the inputs of learning, the what, the when, and the how, is basically gone. And when you pull out such a fundamental pillar, the entire structure of the job has to change right along with it. So if the teacher is no longer the main source of information, what are they? This is where things get really exciting, because it leads us to the teacher's brand new role. Think of this as the new job description. The teacher's role shifts from being a provider of information to being an architect of learning. They design the journey. They don't just deliver the content. They guide a student's thinking process, teaching them how to think, not just what to think. They set the boundaries for safe and productive exploration. And maybe most important of all, they help students create meaning out of this giant sea of information. And this is where AI becomes a seriously powerful ally. You see, it's not a replacement, it's an amplifier. When you use it intentionally, AI can handle that mountain of administrative and prep work that just bogs teachers down. And that frees them up to focus on those higher order, uniquely human tasks we just talked about. And we're talking about real time-consuming work here. Things like drafting resources, organizing complex schedules, helping with lesson planning, and analyzing student data. By offloading these kinds of tasks to AI, we can shift a teacher's focus from being an administrator back to the art of education. Now, it is absolutely crucial to be realistic here. This all sounds great in theory, but we can't pretend this is some easy automatic switch. There are significant real-world barriers to making this vision a reality for everyone. And these are serious hurdles, We're talking about outdated school policies, the huge challenge of making sure every student has access to the tech, the massive need for good teacher training, and making sure the students themselves are ready to learn in this completely new way. If we overlook any one of these, the whole effort could get derailed. So, with all of this in mind, it becomes pretty clear that we might have been asking the wrong question all along. It's time to reframe the entire conversation. Look, the debate about if AI belongs in the classroom, that ship has sailed. It's here. The real discussion we need to have now has to shift from the technology itself to something much more human, our capabilities. What do we, both teachers and students, need to be able to do in this new world? And that's the question we're left with. It's the central challenge for the entire future of education. In a world with infinite, instant information, what are the essential human skills that make learning not just possible, but actually meaningful? That is the conversation we all need to be having right now.